Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. In true stick-to-itiveness fashion, I figured out why my Hello World app would not start. I don't know actually why. I tried a zillion commands, but now it's running. So yes, I'm going to allow it to check for startups or for updates. And now it's running on HTTP localhost. So let's go ahead and start that up. Right click. I think it started. Where did it start? Firefox. Hello world. Okay. Not terribly fascinating, is it? But let's try something else. I'm glad you could all share in the success. There we go. And save that. Now let's see if it changes it here. Have to go back, refresh. You have to restart the server in order for your changes to get changed. So Control C that. Here is the command to get it started. Python. See, the help docs don't mention Python in here. So that's what took me some time to figure it out. So let's go ahead and we'll start it up again. There it goes. Checking for updates. SDK is up to date. And let's go take a look at our changes. Did I not save my changes here? Presumably I did not, because it didn't show up in my document. Alright, so we'll try it again. Oh, so much fun. Figuring out what does not work. Alright, so now it should work. Let's go take a look. Refresh. Huh. Why is it not working? I saved it. And when I refresh the page, my doc is not being saved or updated. Well, that's weird. Why would it not update? It's definitely saved. Nothing's changed. Everything's the same. All I did was add this. And maybe it's a cookie. Maybe it's saved in the cache. Try again. Now, it would surprise me if it's saved in the system. Wow. So the hello world did not change. Why didn't the hello world change? Here's the App Engine. Here's Google. Oh, sorry. Google App Engine. Here's Hello World. Here's Hello World Pie. What's this? Why isn't my document being saved? That's weird. Okay, well, not a problem with Google, apparently a problem with me. Again, thanks for watching.